Calling 2022 CR 7494, State of Texas versus Cortez Lamar Polk. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Daniel Escobar for the state of Texas.
Defense.
Michael Bellavo for Mr. Polk.
Are you Mr. Polk?
Yes, ma'am. I'm Mr. Polk. Cortez.
Okay. Wait, are you Polk Cortez or Cortez Lamar Polk?
Cortez Lamar Polk.
Okay. Going to show you what's entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Truly, yes.
Are you the same Cortez Polk who was placed on community supervision in 2022 CR 7494 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 gram to 4 grams on August 23rd, 2022 for a term of 5 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Violated condition number 2, on or about the 31st day of August 2023 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Cortez Lamar Polk, did then and there admit to the illegal use of K2 in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
Your Honor, state waives all the violations.
Any objections?
No objections, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to a $1,500 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 2 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Your Honor, to alternate amend for DDRF and to deny the motion.
That is the agreement.
All right. What is the wait time for DDRF? All right. So what's the other option than waiting in jail for 6 to 13 weeks?
And due to him being, he's already done lifetime recovery twice. He did drug court. He was in drug court from 2017 to 2023 when he was exited because of the license result. There are some mental health issues, and there aren't any other viable places that can.
Does felony drug court want him back?
You're not Charleston.
All right. We'll see if felony drug court wants you back.
He would rather not go back to.
Would you rather go to prison?
No, ma'am, but I don't want to go back to drug court.
Well, it's either that or prison. Which would you prefer? Because it appears that you won't stop using drugs. Why do you continue to use drugs? That's the question.
Due to my mental health.
All right. So the persons who can address that mental health will be felony drug court. And I know why people don't want to go to felony drug court, because it's hard, because they make you do stuff every day, because you can't just lay in bed all day and get up at noon and think that's getting up in the morning. But here's the thing. The state and your attorney are trying to help you with your mental health issues. But if you don't want help with your mental health issues, then the choice for you is prison. Now, if you would like to go to prison, I will send you to prison. You can go to prison for 3 years. Would you like to go to prison for 3 years?
Oh, ma'am.
All right. So obviously, you're not in charge of your mental health. You're not in charge of your ability to remain clean and sober, because if you were, we would not be here. You would have successfully completed felony drug court. You would have successfully completed lifetime in the sense that you're not back here. It appears that your answer to whatever issues you have is always drugs. And they're illegal drugs, and you're on probation for drugs. So what do you want us to do? I mean, that's a question. What do you want me to do?
I need some help. I need help.
Well, I'm giving you help. Your help is you going back to
give me some help.
Yeah, felony drug court. Felony drug court. That's help. Now, if you don't want that, then you can go to prison. It's completely up to you. Those are your choices. Either you are going to go to the programs that are recommended for you, or either you can go to prison. And guess what? If you go to prison, will I remember you and your name and everything? Yeah, because my mind is a steel trap. But am I going to be laying down at night crying because, oh my gosh, Mr. Polk went to prison because he chose to go to prison? No, because guess what? There's somebody else over in the box who probably needs help as well. And they're going to say, I'll take whatever help you can give me as opposed to prison. So those are your choices.
I'll take the drug court.
All right. Do a referral back to felony drug court. If felony drug court says no, then he can wait in custody for DDRF. And I'll deny the motion.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. Thank you. R8049, State of Texas versus Stephanie Clyde.
For President, Your Honor.
All right. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Travis Banks from the state of Texas.
Defense?
Regardless of your interest, Stephanie, please.
And you on this side? And how do you pronounce your last name?
Please, ma'am.
All right. And are you Stephanie Cleave? And state's motion, a supplement pending motion to revoke community supervision. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Stephanie Cleave who was placed on community supervision in 2022 CR 8049 for the offense of theft under $2,500 and hence on September 22nd, 2022 for a period of 3 years?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Honor about, violating condition number 2, honor about the 18th day of May, 2023 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Stephanie Cleave, did then and there fail to submit to drug testing as directed by the court officer, supervision officer, and or a duly authorized agent of the court in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
The state will waive and abandon the other allegations.
Any objections to the waivers?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right. Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you up to $1,000 fine and 1 year in the state jail facility?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 2 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Your Honor. The state is recommending that the conditions be, to deny the motion and that the conditions be altered and amended for a 6 months extension of the community supervision and a 30-day jail sanction with credit for time served. And she has been in jail the last 30 days and a BIPP course. And taking that into consideration, the state is making a motion to dismiss night mag number 719294.
719294. And what is that offense?
That's a assault family second offense.
And who is the complainant in that case?
Her name is Laura
Sabatino, Your Honor.
Nora?
Laura, Laura, and I just spoke with her, and she is aware of this situation.
Okay, and what's the last name?
Sabatino, Sabatino.
All right. Are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes. Yes.
You can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Stephanie Cleave.
All right, who is Laura Sabatino to you?
She is my partner, girlfriend.
All right. And do you currently live with her?
Yes, ma'am.
And does she want her living with her?
I believe she does. Yes, Your Honor.
So I realize y'all are taking that in consideration, but part of my job is to make sure that everyone is protected. So with regards to that case, were there any injuries?
There was some redness, not serious injuries or anything.
All right. Well, was there alcohol or anything involved with that?
I don't believe there's immediate evidence that there was alcohol involved.
All right. Why are you doing poorly on probation? Because there are other allegations that the state could have proceeded on and they did not. So why are you doing poorly? Why are you not taking your drug testing?
Your Honor, I was taking care of my father and I had a lot of stress and I didn't have a vehicle at the time. So it was hard getting around.
Did you call probation and tell them that?
Yes, ma'am.
So you called and told them, I'm not going to do drug testing because I'm taking care of my father and there are other issues I have going on?
Well, no, ma'am, but I did keep in contact with my probation officer and let her know that I did not have a vehicle, but I did show up, on time.
Are you employed?
I do Uber and DoorDash right now.
All right. No, were you employed July 2nd, 2023?
No, ma'am.
September?
Yes, the end of September.
All right. So how much were you being paid?
Not much. I was doing just maybe 2 days a week. So
Why didn't you take the VIA bus?
Excuse me?
Why didn't you take the VIA bus to probation? VIA, when I was riding VIA, I think it was $1. They may have gone up to $2.
Yes, ma'am.
That's cheaper than gas. So why didn't you go and do your UA with probation? Because when people don't do UAs in court, that tells me that there's a drug issue going on, because otherwise you would do your UAs.
Well, the ones I did take, I was negative.
Mhm.
I know what you're saying, though, Your Honor. Yes, with all due respect.
So you've given me no excuses for why I should follow this agreement. You picked up a new case. The state is taking it into consideration. And you're not doing your UAs. Has she done anything?
I would like to point out, Your Honor, her last office visit with probation was July 24th of 2023. So since July, I don't know how long she's been in custody, but we haven't had any office visits with her. We only have one, looking at it, one UA on file on that, but it was negative. And as far as fees is concerned, there's not been any fees. There's no fees that she's paid on.
Your Honor, can I say something?
Just 1 second.
Yes, ma'am.
It indicates she hasn't registered from the test course. She would be did her TAP evaluation, and she has not been registered yet to the IOP because of the
Excuse me. You need to be paying attention to what you have not been doing. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Otherwise, you can pay attention at the state jail facility, wondering how I got here. All right. So what else?
Have not enrolled her into the IOP for the Wisconsin. And then it doesn't indicate she provided proof of employment.
All right. So do you need an updated TAP or no?
And I'm sorry, Judge, all of the community services are still outstanding.
So do you need an updated TAP?
No, we can use the TAP that we have on file.
All right. And there appears that there was something you wanted to say.
Your Honor, yes, I did complete the first step class. That should be on record, but the other one was like $300, and I was working on completing that. And I will do my community service. I will be on top of that, and I will do better. I promise, Your Honor.
All right. The court will deny the motion, alter them in conditions, extend her for a year. You're to enroll in the BIPP course no later than see what the calendar gives us. No later than November 13th. There's to be no contact with Laura Sabatino. There's a 30-day jail sanction. And the court will show that that's been satisfied. Take in consideration NIMAC number 719294. And she's to enroll an IOP no later than November 9th. And is there anything else that she needs to enroll in immediately, probation?
Honor, enrolling her in IOP overnight may not be possible, but we should get the process started by November 9th.
All right. All right, and you're going to do 90 sober support meetings in 90 days. And if Miss Laura Sabatino wants to have contact with you, then she'll need to come into the court to express that to the court.
Your Honor, she's here now. I don't know if you want to talk to her now. From what I understand is that they live together. They help take care of her elderly father. She's power of attorney of her 76-year-old father who needs help on his day-to-day activities. Laura Sabatino's now, if you'd like to talk to her, I'm sure she would love to change that to no harmful or injurious contact. If you want to talk to her another day,
Yeah, we'll have to set it for another day because I don't have any police reports or any facts on that. But if you'll set that with Miss Ferguson, we'll get it on the docket as soon as possible. We'll probably be able to get it on the docket for next week. All right. And then if we'll set it next week, then we can do a check-in on how she's doing. Norma, can you recall this for November? What date would be best to recall her for to see how she's doing probation?
Go there.
Okay. All right. Well, whenever you want to put it on the docket for Miss Sabatino, just let the court know. Well, he said he's going to file a motion so that she can have contact with Miss Sabatino.
Oh, so we'll contact you.
Yes.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Thank you.